In this demonstration, I will show you how to paint a tree using acrylic pouring and the swipe technique. I'm using two blues, yellow and white for the background, green hues for the tree, and these accent colors. Check that your board is level and make sure you have a clear idea as to how you will proceed. For this demonstration, I will paint a tree of this general form. For swiping the leaves and branches, I have cut small pieces of paper, pointed at one end and wider at the other. It's your stroke that's important as you render the branches. You need to be able to make them flow a bit. Start by putting the pale colors in the center and then work outwards. I'm using acrylic house paint without any additives, but I do dissolve a good dollop of wood glue in the water I use to dilute the paint. For this type of project, the paint should be very liquid. Then sprinkle some of the greens and the earth color around the base where your tree will be, while thinking of the way its roots will spread out. I'm adding a few drops of red for some warmth and brightness. There is actually a lot of red in trees and foliage. It's just that we don't see it because our eyes are overwhelmed by the green. Swipe the background using sheets of toilet paper. They're soft and very light. I found that they work really well. Then sketch in the tree with your earth color and add purple or black drops down one side of the trunk for the shadow. Now swipe the trunk just a couple of times. Don't overdo it. Then start working down, putting in the branches. The key to success here is never to go back over a swipe once you have done it. I'm following the pattern of putting in the main line of each branch with the dark green, then adding lighter green for the leaves and a swipe of purple underneath in places for the shadow. It is important to have a range of greens as you work down. If white places remain between your swipes, don't worry about that, because later it will look like light reflecting off the leaves. Then finish off by swiping the base of the trunk, drawing the lines down as the roots would go, and putting in shadow to shape it all. Again, don't overdo it because the main danger is creating mud. If you make a mistake, you will have a chance to correct it using a brush after the painting dries. And that is what I'm doing here. You can improve the general shape of the tree and anything else you wish. In particular, now is the moment to make sure that the trunk lines up correctly because of course flowing paint will bulge out here and there. So go ahead and fix up your tree. Here it is finished, a graceful young hemlock or cedar growing in a lighted glade. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my demonstration, and I wish you lots of fun as you try it out and start putting trees into your own paintings. Bye for now.